MiRXES is a Singapore-headquartered biotech company established in 2014. We house one of the world's highest throughput genomic sequencers and are strategically located in Biopolis, the biomedical research and development hub of Singapore.
MiRXES is dedicated in making the world a healthier place by realizing the potential of genomics. Through cutting-edge genomics technology, we advance research with actionable and accessible sequencing services, thus enabling scientists like you to select the best solutions for your challenges.
The state-of-the-art facility is equipped with the next-generation sequencing platforms, including the MGIT-10, the world's highest throughput sequencer. Our facility also houses automated workflows to streamline projects, maximize research output, and reduce turnaround time.
The lab team has been endeavoring in genomic research, delivering accurate and high-quality results for standard and customized projects, providing you with reliable support every step of the way.
With over 30 years of combined experience and having published papers in high-impact journals such as Science and Cancer Discovery, we offer first-class bioinformatics analysis in common diseases, cancer genetics, single-cell and spatial transcriptomics.
Our customizable end-to-end service includes pre-project planning, analysis consultation, and post-report discussion. MiRXES has business operations in China, Hong Kong, Japan, the US, and the Southeast Asia region, including the Philippines, Thailand, Malaysia, and Singapore. Partner with us today and be part of the revolution in genomics research that transforms the healthcare space.